What is up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the Premier League kits, and this is legit, basically, this is just honestly based on, guys, what I think is the best kit, right? This is not favouritism at all, this is just what I think, right? And that is honestly it. This is not a fan based thing, this is just what I think the kits, like the best kits are, right? And I'm going to be rating them 1 to 10. If you want after this as well, you can say what your favourite kit is and why, or you can just put down what your favourite kit is and yeah, rate. Or yeah, if you can question some of my ratings as well if I make obviously the wrong rating. But yeah, we'll get to the first one. This is no particular order as well, this is just random, this is no particular order as well. So the first kit is Tottenham Hotspur. Yeah, the kit's looking really. It's like roughly the same as last year's. We've got a wee design printed in the actual top. Kind of yellow behind the collar. Yeah, it looks actually really. It looks better. I would say 5.0. That's what I'd say. 5.0. Yeah, it's just kind of the same as, but there's a wee couple different designs that's kind of just the same. Leicester's, I would say, is a lot better than last season's. Leicester's is a nice, if you can see right there. Leicester City's blue kit is just, I like the yellow sleeves as well. The yellow bit collar coming down. It is a really nice kit. And the printed as well. It is actually a really nice kit. I would say 6.7. 6.7 I would say the Leicester kit is this year. I've got high expectations. 6.7 I'd say the Leicester kit is. Yeah, I do really like it though. It does look like a really good kit, and the best so far. Everton's, I do like Everton's. Everton's is another great design. If you can kind of, I'm going to kind of show you. It's another great design. See, it's another great design. Everton's. I like the sleeves going down. I think the sleeves going down is a really nice touch. And of course, coming across, definitely another nice kit. I wouldn't say it's the best. It's a bit better than Leicester's though. I'd have to say 6.4 for the Everton kit. That's what I'm saying for that. But yeah, I do think it is a really nice kit. Whew. Now, Arsenal's kit. Arsenal has got a nice, it's basically still standard kit. It's like Tottenham's though. Yeah, I've got a couple new designs to it. In the middle, I've got kind of like a design going across. Honestly, 4.3. 4.3 just looks the same except for the new design. Honestly, that is it. That's it. Now the Chelsea kit, I really do like that Chelsea kit. I might get the Chelsea top. I'm a Crystal Palace fan, I might get the Chelsea top. But the Chelsea top, guys, with the free, is just absolute, like, I like the blue. The blue colour is just absolute good. There's a wee bit of design as well, I think. I like it though. I do actually like that kit. I don't know why, it's just kind of like the nicest standard blue logo. I don't know, like, I just don't know. For the Chelsea kit, I'm going to give it a 7.3. 7.3 for the Chelsea kit. You might disagree with that, but I really do like that. This is just my opinion, it doesn't, not teams wise, just my opinion. The Man City kit. Oh, this is another kit I would like to get. Man City top with the designs, honestly, it's just class. Honestly, I really do like, and their away top as well is pretty good as well. But the home top, I like it's like broken basically. The design's like a broken, it's like broke into pieces. Honestly, that is an absolute, it's a banger of a kit. It is a really banger of a kit. So I'm gonna have to give it 8.5. Man City kit 8.5. That's honestly my opinion. 8.5 for this Man City kit. Amazing. Yeah, it's amazing kit. Crystal Palace's kit. It's obviously not like this one. I don't like it. I mean, it doesn't look the best also. It's kind of like up, stop, up, basically. And the blue on it is quite nice though. I've got a 5.1. Crystal Palace kit 5.1. I am a Crystal Palace fan, it's just been honest, 5.1. Don't think it's the best. Like, West Ham's kit, standard again, is just legit the same. I don't see any difference. There is a wee bit difference in the badge with like light blue and the gold that I was using. Honestly, sorry Cooper, but I think this is a 2.1 kit. A 2.1 is just too bad. It's a worse kit in PPL. Brighton's kit, I do like Brighton's kit. I do like Brighton's kit. Nice design coming down with just the nice lines going down. Nothing else, it's just nice and blue. The wee little tick, yellow. The bit of the crack of the collar as well, yellow. It does look in the bits going down as well as yellow. Sorry. I'm going to give it a 6.3. 6.3. There's the Brighton kit, 6.3. I think that's quite fair. Now Liverpool's kit. Liverpool fans might not be happy with their kit. I like their kit. I really do. I like the green bit. See the green bit, right? They just had normal red and white. I like the green bit. I think it stands out and it looks really nice actually. The green bit looks really nice when it goes around, and it does actually look. It does look quite good, I'd say. The green. I'm gonna give it a 7. 7.4. That's what I would say for the Liverpool kit. 7.4. I think it does look like a really nice kit though. Definitely a 7.4. Another kit I would probably like to get. My United's kit, I think my United's kit's a nice. It's a bit of an awkward design. The yellow, red, black. Polka dots coming there, I'll show you that. It's a bit weird. Honestly, it's just too much. It's a nice kit, but 6.5. 6.5 for that kit. That's what I'm gonna say. Newcastle's, it's kind of just basically the same. It is a bit better than last season's though. It is kind of just still the same though. It is looking a wee bit better though than last season's as I look here. 6.1. Maybe. Yeah, 6.1 I would say. Still kind of just the same. There's a wee bit different designs to it, like one of the logos on the side and the wee bit of the collar, and the bit of obviously going down like that. It's kind of like going across like that. Definitely 6.1. Just say 6.1. I think that's fair enough. Oh, Sheffield United just basically the same as. Sheffield United is basically just the same as last season's. It's just the same as last season's, and last season's kit, I think it was like, I'm going to say a 4.3. 4.3 for Sheffield United's kit this season. You might disagree with that, but I say 4.3 for that. Wolves kit, I do like Wolves' top kit. I like the design of it. It's quite nice, and it kind of stops. The design actually stops as well, and you see the line it stops. There's different designs over the sleeves and the shoulder bits. The collar's got a wee bit design. It kind of stops it, changes colour a bit. I do like that kit. I said 8.1 for the Wolves kit. Honestly, I think 8.1 for the Wolves kit. I think that's a good kit as well. Honestly, same make as Sparsies. I think it's honestly another good kit. 8.1 for Wolves. Leeds United's home top. The white and blue. It's kind of just pale. It is kind of pale with white, but I do kind of like it. 5.4. 5.4 for the Leeds home kit. West Brom's kit. I do like West Brom's kit. Got nice designs going down. Yeah, West Brom's kit's a 6.3. 6.3 for West Brom's kit. It's quite an alright kit actually. Next is Burnley's. Burnley's is legit just the same as last season's. 1.5 Burnley's kit, honestly. It's just the same as last season's. Burnley, it's just 1.5, I'm sorry. 1.5. Now, maybe I've been a bit too harsh actually. Right, 3.2 I'll say. been a bit too harsh. 3.2 for the Burnley kit. 3.2. Southampton's kit. I think it's a bit of an improvement there. Like a stripes going like this. It's improvement. It's just like one down. I do think it's a bit of an improvement. I'll go 6.0. See, it is a bit of an improvement. It does look a bit better. Fulham's kit. The white. And there's a bit of red going on the side. Black colour. Again, it's just boring. I'm going to say 5.1. 5.1 on that kit. I just don't see anything else. I just don't see, I just didn't see it being one of the kits that, you're thinking, oh my god, I need to have that kit, you know what I mean? It's legit just basically one of the kits that you're legit, it's legit just, I'm looking at it right now, right? And it is legit just, it's just a plain kit. That is it. It's just a plain, actually, kit. Then you've got Aston Villa's. It's next team, Aston Villa. Again, another kit. Looks kind of the same. It is a bit better. But honestly, just Aston Villa's kit is looking a bit better. I'm going to have to say 5.7. 5.7? Yeah, 5.7 I'd say. I'd say 5.7 guys. And that is all the teams guys, and I am done there guys. But yeah, I'm your host Jack Farmer, and I will see you in the next video. But guys, before we go, please subscribe to CKGC Vlogs, CKGC Streams, Crazy Kurt 1234, twitch.tv/crazycurt, and our Instagram is crazycurt_GC. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.